Very good morning, my dear students. Myself Sanjay sir from St. Michael Higher Secondary, Chhavni Betiya. Once again, I would like to welcome you to e-learning classes of our school. Through e-learning classes, we are providing materials of particular subject in very interesting and very designated manner. Now here I am present with class 9 English, The Adventures of Toto by Ruskin Bond, and important literary figure of India. Two videos regarding the same lesson have already been uploaded. Thereof, we have explained the initial paragraphs of the lesson paragraph wise, and the matter has been made very much clear to you. Here, today I would like to remind you that in earlier videos, we have come to know that Toto, the naughty monkey owned and possessed by grandfather, was decided to be taken to Saharanpur because he was disturbing the whole domestic as well as social atmosphere of the family of Ruskin Bond. A beautiful strong bag was made with a very narrow hole only for the supply of oxygen. The grandfather used to go to Saharanpur for drawing his pension, and he also started his particular journey to Saharanpur with a bag in which Toto was kept. And it so happened that Toto couldn't make any trouble throughout the journey. The grandfather reached Saharanpur and he was just producing his ticket at the gate from where he was decided his bag to be taken out of. While he was producing the ticket, one very curious episode took place. Toto, who was remaining silent throughout the journey, he poked through the narrow hole, and it was decided by the ticket collector that there is a dog inside the bag. All the arguments of grandfather became fruitless, and the ticket collector couldn't agree to any argument given by the grandfather. It so happened that ultimately the grandfather had to pay fine for Toto, which was considered having 4 legs and which was considered as a dog. This was the curious episode that has been described beautifully in the paragraph also at the exit gate of Saharanpur railway station. The grandfather came back. He had no tension, he had no frustration, he had no angry mood against the monkey, and when he came back to his house, monkey was now accepted member to his family. The grandmother, an iron lady who was always against keeping new animals to the private zoo, she also got angry and she started taking care of Toto. Her care was very much important. Her care was very much indicating it was the index of love given and shown to monkey by all the members of Ruskin Bond's family. Especially I am talking about the grandmother also, one who was against in previous paragraphs. It so happened that Toto was now given a permanent place in private zoo, and the same was kept his place near a donkey, namely Nana. Nana was a family donkey, very peaceful, very amiable, very loving and very caring. It was always friendly to other animals of the zoo. But what happened when Toto was given his place there? He never became friend. He never showed his friendly tone towards the donkey. They never got any friendship after all attempts made by the donkey. Anyway, the time started passing. The time started going over, and ultimately the Toto started doing some naughty actions, some mischievous action inside the family as well as inside the zoo. In winter season, the Toto was always given warm water for his bath. Another curious episode took place in the family once. A pot full of water was kept for preparing tea, and it started half boiling. It started boiling, you can say. There was no one inside the kitchen. The grandmother had gone somewhere else. In meantime, Toto came to the kitchen and it started touching the pot outside. What happened? The water was not felt so hot from outer touch. The Toto decided to play a game. That game was a foolish game. It was proved in the final way. It kept the lid of the pot outside of the pot and went inside the water. The outer portion of the water was not so hot, so he never felt any trouble. It was bearable hot water, but when he went inside, the water started boiling and it started screaming. It started keeping his face out of the container, started crying, screaming, and after listening the scream of the Toto, the grandmother came and it was taken out of the container, it was taken out of the kettle, it was taken out of the pot half boiled. Its life was at risk. Nobody else was responsible. He himself was responsible. He couldn't take any precaution, he couldn't take any just sign of wise actions. Anyway, treatment was done and it came out of danger. But coming out of the danger took a long time, and it so happened that Toto came again and again to the real mood that he was enjoying, he was doing inside the family. Once another curious episode happened in the family, that once a dish full of pulao was kept on the table, and most of the family members, they were out of the room. The monkey, the Toto, came there and started playing games with the pulao. Started scattering the grains of pulao here and there. The grandmother came. When the monkey looked at the grandmother coming to that room, to that very particular table, he threw a plate upon her. The grandmother got no injury, but it was a risky game played by Toto. It was a dangerous game played by the Toto because the plate was straight thrown upon the grandmother, but the grandmother was luckily saved and she was out of danger. But she screamed. She cried at the top of the voice. She started scolding Toto for doing that kind of unwanted action. Hearing that action, hearing that sound, that screaming, another aunt came. She was also thrown a glass of water upon her face and she was also luckily saved. Now it was the turn of the grandfather who loved Toto very much. Toto also responded in the same way. Toto also loved grandmother very much, and when he found the grandmother coming to that room, he took the plate of pulao, took the dish of pulao, went out of the room through the window and went up a tree, jackfruit tree, that was very much close to that room. Rest of the paragraphs will be taught you in the next lesson. Stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.